So ngayon, in any kind of business then, you are actually juggling three factors. So imagine a clown na nagja-juggle ng tatlong bola. So as a business owner, ganito ka rin, no? You're juggling three factors. Una, you have to make sure na profitable si business. However, mapapansin natin na habang tumatagal tayo sa business, gusto rin natin na nag-grow tayo and yung business. So, on the side, juggling profitability, but on the other side, you're also juggling growth. And, nakakatawa, no? Yung profitability, pag tinranslate natin siya into layman's term, di ba? Ang gusto lang naman natin is, sa kada benta na napoproduce natin,